Sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong 18 ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Unit uba Mariahum Kharkrang habaya Kren matgelat pathai khubor mentakasngi ka siterik unok pra arjar arpulai ulaong baga BJP hi kum ka weni ki sengsan parthai hapo ka jilla kam Kwah ban ong ai ha ka bayde bat ka jing tokit Halor ka Mukotduma persya ya ka Myntri Sorkar ka jilla ka Dr. Mazel Ampareen lingdo da ka baong bakani ka mat ka syong ha ka jing start jong ka ying bishar nakaliang uba Kharkrang ulaong ru ba ya ka jing tokit lasdang hinrei kambha pat ban poi sya ka bakut klem kino ki rai ki ba biang bat thikna Shosho hakani kasni ni kalyang ba Kharkrang ulaong ru baku makalong menta empat don kejingnya Kren ha kabede ba kejingnya trailang bat ke NPP ni kabenta ki kertong sa election MP kaban long house nam uban 1 ba ki election ki balada menshwaru ke BJP ka penyang bat hi yala ki kertong shimet kum ki kertong senrop Hakabay dapat bat kajing penmi kertong na kikintay nakalyang uba Kharkrang ulaong bagum kasanghi compare lada day ki shinrang ni kintay ru henry ka BJP ka padyang lada don ki ba kum kita ki kintay ki ba kaloy ban long ki kertong jong kaseng nakabenta ke election.
You for having come here and accepted the invitation. And there are a few things that we want to share with you. First of all, that the new president has constituted a new body. Earlier, a couple of days back, it has been shared with the media, and now other posts also have been filled up. I'll just go through it and I'll give you a copy later. First of all, is the IT and the social media cell now has been looked after by one Kit Poshna, and state office in charge by Sarwan Junjunwala. Social media convener is Dr. Bernadette Lingdo. The chief spokesperson is the person who's speaking to you right now, Kharkrang. The spokesperson is to my right, Mr. Arnab Das. And another spokesperson from the Garu sector is Ferdinand C. Sangma. We also have new district presidents, starting with East Jaintia Hills, Commander Full Sana, and also the district in charge of East Jaintia Hills will be Haka Byang Lingdo. From West Jaintia Hills, it will be Shaprang Lingdo, and district in charge will be Lokhan Biam. West Khas Hills, district president will be Pastor Lin Nongrem, and the district in charge is Wasking Lan Marbanyang. Southwest Khas Hills, Pelsi, Srimati Pelsi Snaitang, and the district in charge will be Tobias Marak. Eastern West Khas Hills, Nankit Bok Hujon, and the district in charge is Brivia Thaba. East Khas Hills, the district president is Anna Nias Nonghar, and the district in charge is Kraubok Lang Basio. Shillong City, the district president is M. Kharkrang, and the district in charge is Bipin Pradhan. The Riboy, Sin Thaba, and the district in charge is Everest Mirsing. Tura City is Daulat Chanda Marak, and the district in charge is Dipul Marak. West Garo Hills, the president is Benedict R. Marak, and district in charge is Ferlin C. S. Sangma. East Garo Hills is Francis Pandit Sangma, and the district in charge is E.D. Marak. South Garo Hills is the president is Kailis Momin, and the district in charge is Bernard Marak. Southwest Garo Hills, Boston Marak as the district president, and district in charge is Premana Da Coach. And last of all, North Garo Hills, the district president is Sukkaram K. Sangma, and the district in charge is John Manor Marak.
Must have sent a proposal.
No. Neither has the central leadership asked. Neither has it been sent out.
Or would you have a triple understanding with the ruling NPP?
For Lok Sabha?
Yeah.
No, there are no indications as such.
Because in the last election, previous elections,
BJP had always been contesting on the vote.
There is this euphoria of women being fielded as candidates. Whether BJP also is going the same way?
You see, the thing, it's not about euphoria and putting up candidate. Basically, we have to see whether we have any eligible candidate from the women's side.
But any thought that women...
You see, everything's open for everything. I mean, we would love to if we have a good woman candidate. So we are not closing our doors. We are open to all.
We have seen the name of Bahek's been doing the round. So, I mean, has the party decided to feel
No, like I
Bahek?
said, because it seems our central leadership have not asked for any proposals till now. So no official names have gone to Delhi till now. And even me, I've seen in the papers. And if we can have ALHEC, a six-time MLA, as a candidate, also that would be wonderful.
But what is the procedure? Has the central leadership formed any committee or to take applications and screen?
No, right now not yet. Probably they are waiting for these 5 elections to be completed. The party would not want to comment something which is sub judice in court. Investigation has been completed, the charge sheet has been filed, and now trial is going on. So, as a party, we would not like to make any comments on something which is sub judice in court. If it can bring peace to the state, why not?
Well, we have seen the HNLC is demanding for amnesty. So, because they say that without amnesty, we cannot take the peace
Yeah.
talk forward. What do
See,
you
the thing is, we are not privy to all that, privy to what the government is intending to do. But because here even the courts are involved also for that matter. So I really don't know how the government will handle this. And I think so, let's leave it to the government because we are not privy to that.
Should the government provide them amnesty?
No comments on my side.